welcome to the Diana Cooking Show. Diana, can you please look at the audience?
Hi.
Hello there. I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy.
Okay.
Alright, this is a marshmallow experiment. We tried this once. We didn't get it on video. We know what's going to happen. But this time, we're going to put it longer. Put it for the whole 1 minute 30.
No, let's do 30 seconds.
Oh, only 30 seconds?
Yeah, we don't want any explosions in the microwave.
Fine, no explosions. Not today.
Happen, Mom.
It could. Diana, it honestly could.
It won't.
Alright, we're videoing.
Hey, take up the whole stool.
Okay. I won't take up the whole stool. Alright, so Miss Diana Chef, what do you think is going to happen here?
It's gonna get bigger.
Alright, oh. Do you want to see it expanding?
Okay.
Yep, I see expanding on the video.
I love this.
It's going to go off the plate. Watch it depiction. I can't see you until all the way back there.
You can see it? Look at it.
That thing is huge.
See how big it gets. We'll stop it at 30.
Yeah, that's what Mom said. Stop at 30 seconds.
No, we did it for a minute. Nope.
Minute has passed right now. Stop it. Okay. Drop it down here. Let's see. Final result. I present you with. Oh my gosh! What happened to the top? What is that? What is that?
Oh my gosh. I don't even know if you can eat that.
Wait, Dinah. All right, let's do a taste test. Taste test 101. Here we go. Is this good? Making a homemade.
Which one?
Let's try that one first. That was the old one. It should be all cooled down now. Ooh, the other one's already looking good. All right, here it is. Taste test. Good, bad. How is it? Does it taste like it came out of the? What is going on here?
Cracker.
The cracker. So, Dinah, good, bad, how is
It's like
it?
toffee.
Huh?
It tastes like toffee.
Coffee, really?
No, toffee. The candy.
Oh, the taffy candy? Oh, that's so delicious. Wait, but that was the old one. Alright, so Dinah, I'm going to pass you your weapon. So you can slice it in half or something. Or you can just do that. Anyway, I'll put this next to your newest one. Alright, so Miss Diana.
It's like the one to do.
Huh?
It's like the one to do.
Yeah, I know, it's super long. Dinner is served number 2. Taste test number 2. This one should be nice and warm. So, will it have the same effect as this one? Wow.
Yeah, I know how to make that.
Well, we know how to make that taffy thingy. All we have to do is add some food coloring and flavor, and artificial flavor, and boom, we have homemade taffy. Let's try the other one. Does it taste the same? Here we go. Dinner is served. Wow. Okay, there you go. Is it good? Bad? How's our critic today?
The whole thing.
Here we go. Wow, all the chocolate's melted. You can use the fork if you need to. Alright, wow! It's all gooey. So is that good? Taste it with the cracker.
I know, that's what I'm about to do.
Alright then. Yeah, we're gonna have a piece falling off right now.
Wow, we have multiple.
Oh yeah. So let's eat this quickly. Or over the plate before you make a hot tail miss. And, okay. That's what I was afraid of. Okay. So, how was it? Did they taste the same? Wait, what? They're good? And so, would you say this tastes like a s'more inside of the wild?
Oh no.
Not even close.
And not a small one. Small one like brown and stuff, or black.
So
Just
if you
like
let it
that.
cool down
Up
for like,
close.
if you let it cool down for like a minute or so, you'll get this effect to it. Nice little taffy. And if you do it for, like if you eat it real soon, you'll get this mushiness. So I hope
So
you
good.
enjoy this dino show, and we'll come back because we have no school for a month.